Everyone, so we're going to discuss about the installation of DHCP. So we're going to figure this. So as you can see na sinet up natin yung IP address nito. So makita natin is yan. Iset up natin yung sa 172.3, 1.0.0 and 22 and yan, lagyan natin 255, 255, 0. Yan, natin yan. So, yan. Isa up din natin yung DNS server, which is 1.727. Preferred 1.27.0.0.1. Yan. Address lang tayo, yung sa ating DHCP server and sa 1.27.0.1 scope name TPT server, talagyan natin TPT server for the name yan, ending IP address 1.72.0.225 225.0 and that's it. That's how you create an DHCP server. So the installation is complete, so that's all. So thank you for watching and I hope you learned something from this video and see you next time. So we're just gonna tingnan natin ang address and that's all. Thank you.